Yo, so you want to know how to get all your sneakers early, man? I got y'all in today's video. I'm spilling all the beans. I'm telling 100% honest truth. We'll get right into it, man. Stay tuned. All right, what's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another banger we got for the channel today, man. Today we're talking about how to get every single sneaker, any sneaker you want early. I'm about 95% sure you can get it with everything I'm about to tell you guys in today's video. It's really not a secret. Some people do. Every time I show an early sneaker, they're like, yo, how do you get this early? Are they fake? Are they real? And we're gonna talk about all that. And just to cut all the rumors out, every sneaker I get is 100% authentic, like real, straight from the source. You know what I'm saying? Nothing else, you know what I'm saying? It's just straight authentic. Nothing wrong with people that buy unauthorized sneakers or fakes, whatever you want to call them. No issues with that. Me myself though, I like to keep it 100% authentic. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get my real pairs early. And we're gonna jump right into it, man. Subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content like this. You know what I'm saying? We got more early looks of course coming. We got more lookbooks, hauls, sneaker reviews, all that good stuff happening on the channel. So sub up, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, man. All right, so you guys see in the intro, I showed two early pairs of sneakers that have not released yet. And I know everybody's always asking like, yo, how did you get these early? How did you get the NOIR 12s early? How did you get X, Y, and Z early? And it's all through who you know. It's not what you know, it is who you know. And I know you probably heard that quote plenty of times before. And I was the same way when I was coming up buying sneakers. I'm like, yo, how are people getting these early? It's not what you know, is who you know. So it really relies on what type of resources you have as far as people, you know what I'm saying? You gotta have somebody gotta connect straight through the back door to Nike, to Foot Locker, to Snipes, through any of the retail stores, you know what I'm saying? Especially the mom and pop shops. That's really how people are eating in Chicago. There's a lot of mom and pop shops. I know a lot of people that just getting mad pairs from these mom and pop shops and just sell them to us consumers early, you know what I'm saying? That's just pretty much how I go. So first of all, you got to find somebody that does do that, who has that connect to, you know, mom and pop shops, who has connects through Nike. I know people that have connects strictly through Nike, and I even know a lot of people that got connections straight through these mom and pop shops that's just eating all these pairs in early and then selling it to us consumers, like I said. And what's crazy about this whole early sneaker thing and the whole dilemma if they fake or real, it's crazy because even, you know, Foot Locker and Champ Sports themselves sell sneakers through GOAT, which I know people probably don't even believe that, but yes, they're partnered together, and GOAT sells early sneakers from, you know, Champs, from Foot Locker and stuff like that to us consumers. So you can go on GOAT right now. You can even go on StockX, wherever you want to. You're more than likely to find a pair of sneakers that has not released yet on their app available for purchase. And it's a lot of sneakers like, you know, these joints right here, the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. They're not going for much. So of course you're probably gonna see them on a lot of different apps. You'll see a lot of people that sell sneakers have them early because these mom and pop shops probably won't sell them. They probably will go fund the retail, if not retail, making them lose a little bit of money. So why not have them, you know, sell this to a reseller that gets these pairs early to sell it to us consumers, you know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win for them. They're selling them early, and then you got people like me that buy them and show them on YouTube. And it's not just people that do YouTube, it's people that don't even do YouTube, people that just, you know, love sneakers, that's buying kicks early that are authentic. It's not, I just want to get that room right of the way too. You don't got to be a content creator to get pairs early. Like, you can be just a regular, you know, sneakerhead that want to, you know, step out with a fresh pair of J's before everybody else, and you can keep it rocking like that. But me myself, you guys know I do YouTube, so I'm gonna get them early. I'm gonna show you, you know, break them down before the release, every pair that I really can, every pair that my connects do have, just to get y'all honest opinion, y'all honest feedback on some upcoming drops. Like I said, this is the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. I just did a whole unboxing video of these joints, you know, breaking them down, talking about them, getting y'all's reaction to them prior to the release, so you can kind of know what to expect with these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. And another pair that I got damn near 5 months early, the Air Jordan 1 Washed Heritages. I got these joints back in, I think, January, February. These don't release until next month, if I'm not mistaken, or maybe even July or August. I'm not too sure. I just know I had these things for a long time now, and a lot of people's like, yo, how did you get them early? It all falls down to finding somebody that has connections to those 100% authentic sneakers, and you can kind of tell who sells those, you know, authentic products. You gotta see who they following, you gotta see who they know, and they always seem to have like a post on their page for references. Like, of course, if somebody gets scammed, they're gonna go to that reference page and try to put them on blast and say like, yo, it wasn't authentic, it was fake, you know. But me, myself, I always do my research through people that do have these connections and getting pairs early, making sure they are selling, you know, real products, 100% authentic products, so I can bring it here on YouTube and get you guys know how they are hitting prior to the release, man. So like I said, I got these mad early. This could be due to the fact that Jordan 1s literally have been flopping lately. So while winning a mom and pop shop, they did get them 2-3 months early, selling to, you know, Joe Snow over here to sell to me for, you know, a reasonable price. They are early, so of course you're gonna pay that early premium price, but these right here only got them for $300, so it's not too bad. They probably gonna be going for right around retail on the drop. So not all pairs go for, you know, hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It is some pairs, you know what I'm saying, there's some heavy hitters out there that you might end up spending, you know, $300-400, maybe even $500, depending on which sneaker it is that you are copping early. It's crazy because I even got a pair of Air Jordan 1s from the Gold app, and I got them for under retail. Like, that's happened plenty of times as well, where I got a pair from Gold and them things going on the retail. I said, why wouldn't I cop them? And I think that pair specifically was the Air Jordan 12 royalties. They're going for under retail before the drop even happened. I said, yo, why not bring them on YouTube, break them down, get my supporters honest take on them. So yeah, guys, it's not a secret really. Like, you can literally get an early pair of sneakers through Gold, through StockX, through, you know, somebody you see on Instagram. You just gotta make sure you go to that reference page, make sure, you know what I'm saying, they follow on the right people, make sure there ain't no crazy comments under their posts. If I see maybe even a couple comments, I'm gonna ask them like, yo, you know, what's going on, what happened with this, what happened with that. But I kind of stay away from people like that, and I just get it from people who I know are reliable, who are authentic with their products. Like I said, I have nothing against people who do buy shoes that are UA. I got nothing against it. But me, myself, I want everything to be real. I want everything to be authentic, because at the end of the day, I'm gonna end up rocking these sneakers that I am buying early. So like I said, it's not what you know, it's who you know as far as getting these pairs early. Like I said, you can get pairs early on StockX, Gold. You can get early pairs from Flight Club, wherever you trust those third-party, you know, vendors. You know what I'm saying? If you trust them, you can go shop to them, or you can know a couple people over on Instagram, on Twitter, people that gets, you know, their pairs straight from Nike, gets their pairs through these mom and pop shops. You can get it like that. It's not a huge secret. It's not a big, you know, not a mystery or anything like that. It's super easy to get pairs early. You don't have to be a sneaker content creator to get these pairs early as well, like I said earlier in the video. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop. And please give a huge like on this video, man. We gotta get back in the algorithm. Those likes go a long way. So if you're watching, spam them likes, spam them comments on some fire emojis. Let me know what you learned, and let me know who you get your early pairs through, or how you feel about getting early pairs. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you in next video, man. Peace.